bottle until
What is up, everybody? Rez back here again. We're here doing my first FD cruise with the local FD guys. You already know Russell's car, real clean. Mine that still needs to go to paint soon. Howard's clean FD, and I already forgot this guy's name because I have horrible memory, but also very clean. All left-hand drive. It's so crazy. Usually the right-hand drives are more common, but here I'm the odd man out, so but yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna cruise over to Wilmington, grab something to eat as a gang, and then head out. But yeah, I'll show you guys a little cinematic here of the cars. So, we made it out here to Wilmington. God dang, spider on my goddamn camera. Made it out to Wilmington. Car's driving great, and there is a lot of flames going on. It's crazy. Can't wait to be at these guys' level. True inspiration. But yeah, car drove fine. Really excited to be out here with these guys. Day 342. They still have not yet noticed that this is a Corvette and not an FD. He's in the FD group, and this is his beautiful FD. Howard, what do you got done to this car so far? It looks like just a little bit.
This is a 94 FD touring model. It's got a half-bridge pinned motor from Angel Motorsports with lower compression rotors, complete fuel system from full function. It's got a S369 SXC turbo, single turbo in it. It's got standalone computer. ECU is by Adaptronic.
Okay. How much is she putting down to the rear wheels?
Last time I done it was 485.
485?
Oh, 14 pounds.
14 pounds?
I can't really run much more than that because I don't want to run water meth injection.
Okay.
And E85 is scarce around here. So
Yeah, I know that for sure.
It's not worth it. Plus, at that point, I'll start breaking stuff.
Yeah, usually the higher you go. But it's really clean.
Thank you.
Inspiration, all your guys' builds, giving me a lot of ideas.
These wheels, though.
So, really the motor is, besides being lower compression rotors and just a half bridge, it's relatively stock. It does have 2,000 or 2,200 cc secondary injectors, 1,050 primary injectors. It is running a 458 single fuel pump in it.
It's thirsty.
Yeah. On the way here, I used up like half a tank.
Oh wow.
I get like 7 miles to the gallon. But,
Rotary problems.
True. Ignition wise, it's got the AEM smart coils set up in it. That's controlled by the Adaptronic ECU.
If you ever do, let me know. I'll take it to the machine.
Other than that, it's pretty much basic. Grady front mount cooler, titanium cooler pipes, coil, inflow radiator. Suspension is just a Coney yellow with ground controls. Nothing super
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah. brakes, it's got the EBC red stuff brakes. Just a few, you know, upgrades here and there.
The car's really nice, man. I appreciate you taking some time to describe it here a little bit. You'll be seeing it throughout the video, but it's just so awesome seeing all these builds and just getting ideas for mine as we go along. But thank you again, Howard.
No problem.
Appreciate it. So you guys already know Russell. He's kind of like my sensei, I guess, in this whole rotary thing.
I've helped a lot of guys with the rotary cars in the community out here so far. Just because, like, I started 4 years ago. I had a FB. I bought this in 2017. It was pretty much all stock with a stock mount intercooler that was upgraded, and that was about it. Since then, I've threw a single turbo wand, upgraded the ignition, full function engineering rails, 2200cc secondaries, 850 primaries, Walbro 450 pump. I did the V-mount myself just for a project instead of spending, you know, $3,000 on a ready V-mount. I made it myself. It's not the prettiest, but it works.
It looks pretty to me.
Still got AC, still have power steering, upgraded IRP alternator, oil catch can. So all in all, I probably put about 12 grand into it. 'Cause I still got like the clutch, the lightweight flywheel, trans brace, diff brace, all that kind of stuff.
And what? How many PSI are you on right now?
It's on a wastegate about 19 PSI. So I have the EFR, so I got like the integrated blow-off valve, and you can't see it, but down underneath there I also have a Turbo Smart upgraded wastegate.
Okay.
So I can change the springs out. The stock springs, not like the stock one, is like 15 PSI. But mine are all adjustable, so right now it's running at that. I also have water methanol injection running 49% meth, 50% water, 51% water.
And what's it make to the wheels?
About 450 to the wheels.
Nice. You guys already know that because we went on a ride the other day, and God, this thing is fun.
Yeah, she likes to get squirrely sometimes.
I saw when you took that turn.
Yeah, did the hood myself as well. I just cut out the stock hood, put some track spec. These are for a Mazda Speed 3, but I just kind of cut them, put them on myself to have some ventilation.
Yeah, that looks like something that I might want to do to kind of, not to cheap out, but to kind of do something a little bit different without copying your style completely. Maybe use some different vents.
I mean, I'm all about that, just because you can spend like $350 to get the vents instead of spending $700-800 for a hood, then have it painted.
Oh yeah, I really want to get like the Street Hunter hood. That's like $2 grand.
Yeah, one popped up the other day on Facebook for $1,800.
Yeah, for the carbon fiber one, that's like crazy. But yeah, man, I appreciate taking the time and always helping out.
Yeah, man, appreciate you guys coming out.
Yep. Everybody, this is Anthony. He's got a clean FD as well, as that's the trend around here. His is actually the only one that's aftermarket twin turbo, so I'll let him talk a little bit about it now.
Yeah, so bought the car blown up, it's 94, about 7 years ago, and I always was interested in the rotary motor, so I decided to build it myself. So I built the motor and started doing all the little modifications to it. I went with the B&R Stage 3, running 14 pounds of boost. She dynos right at 350 to the rear wheels. All the piping and stuff you see is custom done. It's not a kit. Basically because I was trying to save money, so I had friends that do that kind of stuff, and we worked together and built that. Running a Power FC for the B&Rs. I did a ABS delete. We are riding on Fortune 500 coilovers.
Oh, those are good.
About 1.5 inches. I went with satin black. We went to East Coast Rotary Classic one year, and it used to be gloss black, and there was like 10 other gloss black FDs, and I was like, nope, I'm not going gloss black.
Yeah,
so
you gotta be different.
I came back and went with this hot rod flats. It's called
it's really
disc.
clean. Yeah, and you can see like the pearl. It might not show up that well on camera, but like you can see like the little pearl in it.
Yeah, it's got pearl and it's got copper flake in it.
Yeah, it's really nice. Really accents the wheels too.
Yeah, that's where I went
and
with the wheels. I did the bright copper, and then I did the aged copper on the wheels. And so we're still working on it. Started working on the interior pieces. You can get a lot of the interior pieces stock from Mazda.
But they're like usually back ordered and like really expensive
I've gotten
too.
a few of the components. I've started replacing everything. So that's the last thing I have left to do is the interior. I'm actually going to use a company called Rides for the seat covers.
Okay.
Going to go with a little darker leather on the inside. So other than that, I mean, we got see, I'm running 1050, 1700 secondaries on your fuel. Got a Walbro 450 fuel pump in the back. Got the air motive pressure regulator.
Yeah, this car is like really, like I was telling you earlier, I really like the twin turbo setup, so it's good to see that there's some people that actually keep them.
They spool a little quicker. I mean, overall, you're going to have more performance and more power
Out of a single?
the same boost with a single.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but
just because.
You don't boost as quick.
Okay.
It's not as, you know, off the line. This thing is in boost at 1500. You get used to the little dip.